it's Belinda, Selene, and welcome back to my channel. No longer are those days when you couldn't wear like those cute shorts or cute skirt or even wear like a tank top because you forgot to shave. I'm going to share with you guys how to permanently reduce your hair growth in the comfort of your own home. And I know it can sound very intimidating because usually it is professionals who have these devices and do these type of procedures, but now you can do it at home. I'm collaborating with Braun to share with you guys how you can use the Gillette Venus Silk Expert IPL device. This IPL device is beginner friendly. There's no training involved in order for you to use it. It's super simple. It takes less time than shaving your legs and it is less complicated than shaving your legs, and it is approved by the FDA. So what the Gillette Venus Silk Expert does, it uses professional light technology in order to break the cycle of hair growth. The light energy is converted into heat energy and it transfers through your skin in order to break your hair growth cycle. I'll be showing you guys what are each one of the settings and the buttons here on the device, and then I'm going to show you a quick demonstration on how to use it because like I said, it is so much easier than shaving. All you have to do is literally put it on your skin and press this button right here. So this is the IPL device here, which stands for Intense Pulse Light. And you can see on the side, it's going to give you a guide of how well it can detect the hair follicle onto your skin. With this device, it'll automatically detect how much of an intense light it needs to give out. With other machines, you have to manually do this, but this actually does it for you. And it knows by these two little windows that you guys see in front of here, it detects it by calculating how dark your skin is as well as a hair follicle. If you guys want to know if this will benefit your skin tone and your hair, then there is a little guide on the side of the box that'll let you know your skin type and also your hair color, and then you can compare and see if it is beneficial for you. Once the device is placed correctly, it will let you know and indicate that it's going to give out a little flash, and you activate it by pressing this button right here. And if you're really sensitive to pain, then you might want to use the sensitive mode, but honestly I don't have a high tolerance for pain, and I did notice that I didn't have to use this even in my most sensitive areas like underneath my arms and my armpits. I was really scared to do it, but once I did it, it didn't hurt at all whatsoever. So I don't even think that people need this, to be honest, because it's painless. It feels like a rubber band snap, but if you are very sensitive to pain, you could also use this little guy right here, and it'll let you know when it's on because the LED light will turn on and you know that it is on sensitive mode, and then you can deactivate it by pressing it again, and you can continue just pressing this button. It is super simple to get started. All you have to do is make sure that the area that you're going to be using is nice and shaved. That way the device can detect the hair follicle and not your actual hair. So all you have to do is plug this in, and then you plug this into the wall and it's ready to use. You don't have to charge it. You don't have to wait for it to heat up or anything like that. And then you place the device directly onto your skin, and once it detects that it has a hair follicle, you can press the button on top and then it's going to flash a light. If you're treating larger areas, you can glide the device by holding and pressing down that button, and then every few seconds after each light pulse, you can move it on to the next section, and it goes by really fast. I think it took me a total of 15 minutes to do my entire body. And if you have smaller areas, then you want to go ahead and click on it one time, let it go, and then switch it to like the next side, click it, let it go, and that is how you do smaller areas, because you want to make sure that you don't treat the same spot more than once a week. If you follow through with the treatment of doing this once a week for 8 to 12 weeks, then it can be permanently removed for up to 12 years. Honestly, this is a great investment when it comes to hair removal because I don't want to have to shave my legs every other day, especially now that the summer is coming up. And overall, I just feel more confident. I was really self-conscious with having hair on top of my upper lip. I had a girl stash and it was not cute. It was not pretty. I actually had it removed with a professional salon, and they use the laser hair treatments, and it looks exactly like a device similar to this. And I didn't finish my sessions because it was just very time consuming. I felt like it was very costly, and to make the drive all the way into the city was just really inconvenient. And so I didn't finish off my sessions, and I do notice that some of the hair is coming back very faintly. You can't tell, but I can totally tell. So now that I have this, I can finish the rest of my sessions. I personally have been using this device for 4 weeks, and I noticed a reduction in the amount of hair that grows. It's not completely permanently off because I still have more sessions in order for it to be completely gone, but I do notice that it doesn't grow as fast as it used to before, and it's a lot thinner than what it was before, and I had some pretty hairy arms. But once I am completely done treating each sessions for a total of 8 to 12 weeks, I will let you know if it has came back or if there's any hair growth and if it completely removed my hair. This will pay for itself in one treatment, and you can do your legs, you could do your bikini area, you could do your arms, you could do your underarms. So I will have a link down below where you guys can find it, and any information that you guys are looking for will be down there as well. I'll see you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.